Zafar from my YouTube channel Positive Academy. In today's video, I'm going to share list of all spiritual books. So starting in our list is Being Mortal by Atul Gawande. Now this basically books concerns about how to be immortal, how to live long. So this is first spiritual book. Next comes in our list is Many Lives, Many Matters by Brian Weiss. This is the best seller. And if you see the introduction, it talks about again regarding the past life trauma and past life therapy. This book talks about. Next in our list is Autobiography of Yogi. This I already talked about in my previous book recommendation. It has the language is little bit tough as per the traditional culture, but it is a must read book for a spiritual seeker. Next in our list is Kundalini Agora by Robert Schwab. This is also Kundalini means awakening your chakra. So this again relate to spirituality. Next in our list comes Three Truths of Well-being by one and only my favorite Sadhguru. And Sadhguru is a yogi, mystic and visionary. He has written so many books, and from spiritual point of view this is the best book, right? So this is a must for spirituality. Next, The Teachings of Ramana Maharshi. It is by Arthur Osborne. Now Ramana Maharshi was such a person. He was a Indian personality, and here is some of the literature you can go through. Remember that these are all recommendation by one of my friend. I have not gone through all the books, but I am in the process of learning this. Next, Think on These Things by J. Krishnamurti. This is next in the list for spirituality books, and you can see that you can go for this also. Next on our list is this by On the Life and Death of Krishnamurti by Lutyens Mary. This is also a great book for spirituality. Actually, it is a biography type. Who was Krishnamurti and how what happened. So this is life story. Next, The Conquest of Suffering by P.J. Saher. Suffering, it talks about life suffering and all those things. You can go through this. This is also amazing spirituality book. Next in our list, this is by Zen Yoga, same author P.J. Saher. This is also is a Sanskrit work which is translated into English. So if you are seeking spiritual thing, then this is a good book. And last but not least is my own book, An Introduction to Reiki. I already told you that I am in the process of writing an ebook, and this is just launched yesterday. My book, An Introduction to Reiki. Right, this is Reiki is also a spiritual thing. It concerns about meditation. So whenever you involve meditation, spirituality comes. So these were some of the list of my book recommendation. I again read you the list. So first was Being Mortal by Atul Gawande, then Many Lives, Many Master by Brian Weiss, Autobiography of Yogi by Paramahansa Yogananda, Kundalini by Robert Schwab, Teachings of Ramana Maharshi by Arthur Osborne, Three Truths of Well-being by Sadhguru, Think on These Things by J. Krishnamurti, Life and Death, that is autobiography of Krishnamurti. Next, The Conquest of Suffering by P.J. Saher, same Zen Yoga by P.J. Saher, and last is my own book, An Introduction to Reiki by myself, and I will mention all the links in the description. However, I will not be able to find the link of some books because Amazon is not allowing me, like that of autobiography Kundalini. You can search all these books on Amazon, and the teachings of Ramana Maharshi. So these were the list of spiritual books. So I hope you enjoy this content, right? So if you are looking for spirituality, do go for all these books, right? So I am a bibliophile, so I love to share about books, and booktubing is the thing I am more concerned about. Though I have not read almost all the books, but I do have some kind of knowledge, and it was recommended by my mentor a teacher who is master into spirituality, and he recommended me this list of books, so I am sharing with you. I hope you are enjoying this content. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing for regular dose of positivity, and remember, you are the creator of your own life, so create something awesome today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye. Peace.
Yeah.